Alright chat, we're on the GoPro today. Can't even call y'all chat. Anyways, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the Lexus. It's been a minute since I've uploaded or done anything car related, but we're getting rid of those. And I'm gonna put some big boys on. Oh yeah! Brian with us. Got some King's front and rears, and then I have some old man emu springs that we're waiting on. We should be here today, so hopefully by the time we get to the rear, they come in. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on the front. Should be fun.
Should be easy.
This thing's really stabilized. Whee!
Do it look like I'm moving?
Yeah. Got some big boys with the reservoirs. These are extended travels. Part number right there. And then the rears. Part number right there. Let's go ahead and take these Ironmans off. Alright chat, or call y'all comment section, I keep forgetting, comment section. Got one side out, that shit pretty easy. So what we did here was loosen this up, take the two 19s off the bottom down here, and then loosen up your control arms, and then there's 3 bolts on top. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the Kings in. Alright, comment section. We got the first King installed with the reservoir as well. Look at that blue, baby. It's actually not that hard. A little bit, but not too crazy. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish this side up, get the other front one done, move to the rear. Alright chat, we're working on the passenger comment section. Working on the passenger side. How do you like this GoPro footage though? I normally don't use the GoPro footage when the GoPro vlog, but we sold a big camera. This is all we got, so we're gonna deal with what we got. Hope she looks good. Hope she rides a lot better, that's for sure. All right, just got the fronts done. We have to go pick up the rear springs, so we're gonna go do that right now, and then we should get the rear done. But so far, looks pretty good. That's pretty baller right there, I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty baller. You're just peeping, you're like, oh shit, he got Kings. But now it looks a little uneven. It's a little bit higher on the, I don't think you can tell on camera. But we're gonna do the rears next once we get back. All right, chat. We are now working on the rears. Just got the springs, got some old man emus, which are over there. I went to go, but I'm playing music. And your boy's not trying to get copyrighted. But took it for a little test drive as we went to go pick up the rears, and the fronts feel good. Now we're gonna move over to the rears. Hopefully it's all easy munyon. Handy Manny's got it. Aya, 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 aya. Alright chat, comment section. Got this side out. Huge tip if you're doing this on your own. Make sure you disconnect the sway bar here. The end link. Makes it like a ton easier. We're having like a hard time trying to get it off until we did that. So now, it's time for the Kings to go in, and then the old man emus. Like I said, I'm running the two 2895Es, which I heard are pretty good. So we'll see. We ran into an issue. Whoever installed the suspension last has ass. I suck. No, it wasn't me. But let me show you where we're at. What? I didn't put that on. No. Hell no. Here's where we are, chat. Pretty much almost done. Just gotta tie everything down and she's good. And then our next point of interest is gonna be this side over here. So I don't know if y'all can really see it, but the cam tab is all messed up. So I gotta go get upgraded ones and have it welded on. Oh my god, my mic is falling. Did I show you all this side? I don't think I did. Damn, baller. Show me your cheeks. All right, chat, it's about a few days later, and the ride is pretty good. Let me make a wide angle here. Sits pretty good. I did notice, or Brian did notice, that the fronts sits a little bit lower than the rears, which I don't know if you can really tell on video, but yeah, a little bit. So we might raise the front up. I did have some cam tab gussets installed as well, because I told you guys mine were bad, so we got some reinforced ones there. Obviously the other side's done. I had to change this cam bolt as well, just because the other one got seized in there, which is a known Toyota thing. But so far, she's looking good. There is some cutting I'm gonna have to do. Oh yeah, the cladding's done too. Nice job, Nancy. We got the alignment done. Everything looks good. Look at from when we installed it. Just ate my tires up, bro. It's all good though. But what we are gonna have to do, I'm not rubbing crazy, but I do got to kind of slit these and then hammer them in, just so I have full clearance. And then front side is good on this side, but on this side, I'm gonna have to do the same thing, slit that up, cut those, hammer that down, and then as you can see there, it's rubbing right there. So we gotta fix that as well. All in all though, King's ride good. Car feels good, car feels great. Way better than the Ironmans that are in here. Couldn't be any happier with these.